This is pantalla catcher. You can get the screen out of mobile with the help of this device. This is we order from there the charging bases. This charging base, it's come very cheap from online shop, and this you can repair in home as well. We follow us, subscribe our channel, and we are gonna show there. You can get video from there how to change the charging base. For each mobile is different. Okay, so this is we order like 500 charging bases, and this is we bought the Bluetooth devices from there. Okay, it it will cost you like €5 or something, and that you can easily sell in shop for like €15 or dollars. Okay, it's coming very cheap. So we order from there this fall, and this is also kind of catcher up screen that I show you. This is you can separate the screen from mobile. Look, now they are so attached to each other. You have to open it like this. When the ear will go inside, it's go open. Okay, and it's like when how to open the mobile screen with the help of this. You put it like this, okay, and it will stuck with this, and when you catch it, look, it can take out my screen out of mobile if it's unscrew it. And this is the same. We have this Bluetooth device. This is we order the screwdriver from there for iPhone. For the latest iPhone, you can use it for like for iPhone 14, iPhone 13 Pro Max, all this series. So this is we order from there. We already have the other instrument for this that I will show in the next video, which machine we are using for mobile repairing. This we order now. Okay, and except this, we order this two screen change for mobile. This is we have order for one customer. They have the mobile 9C, and another one we have LCD for iPhone. Okay, so they have all the stuff. You can easily order from there, and if you have a repairing shop, or if you want to do in home, so if you have like this few instrument with you, easily you can repair your mobile at home, and you don't have to pay too much like in the shop, because the screen you will buy this kind of screen with €20 and €25, and when you change it in the shop, they are charging you there like €80, €90, €70. We are putting list price, like if we buy this like 26 euro, maybe this one, so I'm charging from the customer like €50. But in other center, if you will ask the same thing, they will tell you €70, €80, and they will tell you this is original. This is not actually original, but this is the better quality. It's like one number less than original, but it's still like you can use it as original, this one. Okay, so for today that's it, and let's wait for the next video, and we are gonna show you another thing about repairing mobiles and this kind of thing. Please follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you.